Students, so I am back with the discussion of our NCERT questions of Geography chapter 2. So our first question is, which are the two main climatical factors responsible for soil formation? So the answer will be that factor responsible for the soil formation I discussed with you in the chapter that there are parent rock, climate, relief, time. So all these are the factors which are responsible for the soil formation. Next question is, write any two reasons for land degradation today. So the answer will be deforestation and soil erosion. These are the two reasons which are responsible for the land degradation in today's scenario. Next is, why is land considered as an important resource? So the land is considered as important resource, as you all know that land covers the 30% area of the earth, which we can use for many purposes. Like we can grow crops on the land, we can construct our building, we are also having our river, plains. So all these factors are included, by which we can say that land is our important resource. Next, name any two steps that government has taken to conserve plants and animals. So in this question, the first step we can write Van Mahotsava, a step which is taken by the Indian government, and another one is SITS, which is taken by the international government, in which trading of plants and animals is prohibited. Okay, so our next or last question is, suggest 3 ways to conserve water. So children, as you all know that water covers 70% part of the earth, and to conserve that water, our first point should be, we should not waste the water. We should use the water with proper management. Wastage of water should not be there. Rainwater harvesting system should be followed. These are some basic ways to conserve water. You can add any point from your side also. So this was all about your NCERT questions. Thank you all of you.